G'day cocktail lovers. I felt like treating myself to a martini and I found this variation called an Emerald Martini. Now often when there's a drink that's got a name like it's the something martini, it bears no relationship at all to an actual martini. This one does. It's essentially a dry gin martini. The emerald part comes from green chartreuse. It's probably not showing up under the lights, but it is a very pale emerald colour, quite an elegant colour, and I like the idea of getting some green chartreuse in there, making it a bit more of a herbal martini, so I'll give it a taste. That really works. I mean, I might have even made this bigger with more gin because I do like quite a dry martini, and it's become much sweeter with the chartreuse. It's not just the herbal flavours and the rather high proof of the chartreuse. It's a liqueur, there's a decent amount of sugar in it. This is not overly sweet though. I find it very tasty, and I'm going to show you how to make it. In a mixing glass, put 2 ounces or 60 ml of the gin of your choice. Then add half an ounce or 15 ml of dry vermouth. Then add half an ounce or 15 ml of green chartreuse. Rounding things out, we'll do 1 dash of orange bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for at least 25 to 30 seconds because this is quite a strong drink and it'll benefit from a little dilution. And then I'm straining that into a chilled martini glass. Another reason for stirring this one for a while, my favourite martini is an ice cold martini. I keep a pre-made one in the freezer for just that occasion. When it's this strong, particularly if you use a stronger gin. I use this one as from Archie Rose in Sydney. It's their lime gin. It's made with a variant of Australian finger limes. It's a native Australian fruit. There's quite a few variants of it. And I thought, oh, lime, emerald, even though because it's distilled, there's no colour in it. But it's all come together rather well. And I guess while I'm saying I don't want my martinis to be too sweet, this may well make a martini more approachable for some people. I was also in two minds about using, the classic martini glass because they're so damn big. You do yourself a decent serve of a drink and it seems like there's not enough in there. I've already had a decent swig and it's gone down a little. It was looking fine, the volume in the glass. It's becoming more common in bars around town I see to serve martinis in a Nick and Nora glass. And I think that's largely to avoid people saying, oh, there's nothing in here. Well, they want their glass full. That's a whole different story about people not understanding a cocktail is about what's in it, not the volume and how much it fills the glass. Like that stupid thing you see some people on TikTok doing with some ice. Wow, I'm going to do a rant video about that one day. But I'm going to be chill today with my extremely nicely chilled Emerald Martini. It's quite tasty. I recommend you give it a go, but I really recommend you come back and see me make some more cocktails down the line because I'm always up to something and I'd love to have you along for the ride. But until I see you again, I will say cheers.